Goofy! Woo! Getting some ice cream here in Asia, and it looks like they're putting it in these cups by like default. Like there are none coming out of there that aren't coming out of the cup, so I don't know if that helps them serve it more clean, but you're getting your cones in a cup right now. How do you like that? No, you don't like it in the cup. Yeah.
No.
Oh well, it's happening. Gonna grab some provisions.
Yeah,
Popcorn, that's all we need. Oh man.
What do you call an action adventure show about deers?
About deer?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Bucktails. Woo!
Oh my. Thank you, sir. There you go. Don't touch that glass. Man.
I think Dino Diner is open.
Dino Diner? Primeval World closed, and that's okay. I mean, that's like often. And if there's one thing we could use right now, it's a time machine, right? I mean.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I'll take a time machine. Hey, you know, since on Dinosaur you go back in time.
Yeah.
Do we not have to wear our masks on it?
Yeah, right?
Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeger, your friendly controller and a
Look at this.
paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
Wow.
But let's not talk
That's
about
quite a maze for Mrs. Huxtable.
how you can help me make history today with the time rover. It's like this.
Let's go get that dino. I knew you would, and guess what?
You want black Mickey Crocs? I don't think you want black Mickey Crocs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. How much are they?
They're $50.
50?
Yeah.
I don't know though, dude. I think they might be really good for you.
Yeah, huge discount right now
We would get $15 off, so they're 35.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
And they got Mickeys on them, dude.
Yeah.
You want them?
Yeah.
And they got, yeah, let's get them. Yeah, right?
Wait, no, not this shirt. Look at this right here.
You like the sack?
Yeah.
I'm really into the shirt.
I like the sack pack.
It almost kind of looks like a first, like, 50th merch.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? I would like to. Yeah, let's get it.
I actually have a story about the ride.
Yeah?
So, one day, and just, this will be important. So there is a raptor at like the beginning of the ride. And one day, me and Mom noticed that the raptor, was not moving. It was broken. And so we went to a person and we're like, hey, the raptor's not moving, it's broken, you know? And so we come back like a week later, all of a sudden the raptor's covered up with like a blanket. So they were obviously fixing it.
Uh-huh.
And it's just cool because we like helped
Nice.
to like preserve the magic.
There you
in a
go.
way, you know?
You felt like you had your role.
So like if you ever see a broken animatronic or like something not working in a ride, tell them.
See something, say something. All done and heading out after our first full day at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
So great to be back. Everybody doing such a great job and so many things open. So many of our favorites. Everest.
Yep. Flight of Passage.
Oh, right away.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, wait times, down, everything.
Just walking on rides.
All day long.
And those boats on the water.
Oh.
The music and the characters. So much fun.
Absolutely.
But tomorrow, Hollywood Studios.
Reopening.
I can't wait.
So we're heading back to the resort. We're going to be heading to Old Key West
Yes.
and enjoying a restful evening to get ready for Hollywood Studios tomorrow.
Yes.
Back to Rise, back to Runaway with Mickey and Minnie. So, can't wait. Great day at Animal Kingdom. Thank you, Disney. We felt safe. We felt clean. We felt
Happy.
Happy.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.